NATO down over 20 drones in Ukraine. Tor-M2 air defense systems of the East battle group of Russia destroyed over 20 Ukrainian drones in the south Donetsk direction in the past days, the defense minister said. Tor-M2 of the Air Defense Formation of the 5th Combined Arms Army of the East Battle Group continue destroying air targets and defending the troops against air attacks in the South Donetsk direction of the special military operation. In the past few days, Tor-M2 downed over 20 hostile attack, reconnaissance and kamikaze drones, it said. The Ukrainian forces launch air probes with corner reflectors as dummy targets. We detect them although their characteristics differ from their drones, Tor-M2 commander with call sign the 14th said. Tor-M2 has a range of 15 kilometers and is designed to fight air-to-surface missiles, guided and smart air bombs, anti-radar missiles and other precision weapons of a new generation, aircraft and helicopters, cruise missiles and drones. The modification is distinguished by a twice bigger round of munitions with 16 latest guided 9M338K missiles with an increased hit area, higher precision and smaller size. The launch interval from one vehicle comprises 2 seconds. Thus, the Tor-M2 battery can repel a massive attack of modern air weapons. One Tor-M2 can simultaneously attack 4 targets. It deploys in 2 minutes and another minute is necessary to lock on the target.